As a filmmaker with a small budget, I'm always looking for affordable, good quality camera gear. So when I was looking for a camera stabilizer, I came across this Steadicam made by Neewer. It was only around $70, and after looking at some reviews saying how good it was, I decided to buy it. The build quality of the Steadicam is really good. It's made of aluminium and carbon fiber. It has a foam handle for a more comfortable grip, and at the bottom you'll find 6 weights that are used for balancing. Speaking of balancing, let's get into how you actually balance the Steadicam. Before balancing, make sure to remove any straps, lens covers, or any other accessories you're not gonna use on your camera, because that will affect the overall balance. On the bottom, put on about the same amount of weight as your camera weighs. Once you've done that, go ahead and screw your camera on the base plate with an 8-inch screw. Place your camera on the Steadicam and lift it up. Now we're gonna balance the camera on the X and Y axis. Y being forward and backwards, and X being left and right. To balance the Steadicam on its Y axis, move the base plate forward or backwards depending on how your camera falls. Now that we have balanced the Y axis, let's balance the X axis. You can do that by unscrewing this screw and moving the camera left or right. Keep in mind this might take you a bit of time to do, but once you balance your Steadicam correctly, your camera should remain stable like this when moving. Let's also look at the drop test. If you're shooting someone running through a forest, you're gonna be looking at around 1 second drop time. But if you're shooting a slow moving object, then the drop time should be around 2 to 3 seconds. After you've finished all of this and your Steadicam is balanced, you can start shooting. Here are some cool shots I managed to get using this Steadicam. Enjoy! In conclusion, I'm really happy with this Steadicam. I really recommend it to any filmmaker that's starting out or is on a small budget. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to buy it. And with that being said, this was Bubbly and I'm signing out.